Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own server on Discord app. So let's start the video. First of all, hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to like the video. So let's start the video. Now you have to go to your Discord app. If you don't know what is Discord app, let me show you. You have to go to your Apple Store or App Store. If you have iPhone user or Android user, you have to just go to your Play Store. Here you have to search App Store. After going here, you have to search Discord on your screen, on your searching bar. After searching Discord, now you can see on a screen there Discord app is on a screen on the second top. Here just in the purple color, you have to update or whatever. If you have downloading, then update. If you don't know what is Discord app, you just simply have to download. After downloading, let's go to the app. Here is Discord app. Now press on plus option. Here you can see create your server. Now if you want to create your own server, press on create my own server. After pressing on create my own server, there's two options on screen will appear for me and my friends. If you want to create a server for only you and the person you want to invite it, so you have to press on this option and create a name of your server and click on create server. And the second option is for my community. If you are join a community and if you join a group, so you have to press on the second option. And also same in the second option, you have to just change the name and press on create, so your server will be changed. So these are two basic steps by which you can easily create your own server on Discord app. Hope so friend you like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel. This channel is informative channel, so subscribe this to get more updates at once. So hope so you watch, enjoy this video, and comment below. Please tell me if you understand something. Thank you so much for watching the video.